I might just be the jammiest person ever. So it's currently 5:30 in the morning and I've got my flight leaving at 7 o'clock and my transfer time in Cebu is only 40 minutes. They're giving me this sticker and the guy at check-in said put it on your chest. So when I get to Cebu airport I've got to walk around with this. So early on this morning, I had a connecting flight from Siargao that went through Cebu City, then on to Manila, the capital of the Philippines. And that initial first flight was 20 minutes late. By the time I landed in Cebu, long story short, the flight had already taken off, so obviously I couldn't get it. So the airline have automatically put us on to another flight. However, my flight, bear in mind it's like 9 in the morning. My flight is at 9 in the evening. So obviously because of the time, they've given me a hotel. I swear I'm the jammiest person ever because the hotel they've given me, put it this way, it's a massive upgrade from what I'm staying in tonight in Manila. I don't even want to go to Manila now. I want to just stay here because in Manila for a video, I was going to test out a £1 hostel and I probably still will. Wait till I see. You ready? Now I'm chilling in this. Look at this, I'm on the 16th floor, literally nearly on the top floor of this building. And oh, what a day. We've got a view of the sea right there. I think they said it was a 4-star, but I'm telling you, this might as well be a 5-star because, well, this is what we're saying. Bathroom, chilling. This is the best accommodation I've had of this whole trip. And coincidentally, it's the one I got for free. So not only have I got this hotel, they've given me 3 meals. So I can now go downstairs and have breakfast, lunch, and dinner tonight. But not only that, I've got free room service. The lady at the desk downstairs, she was like, yeah, just give us a ring and we'll bring it to your room. What? And just to top it off, I have free access to absolutely everything in this hotel. And we're talking gym, spa, it's got its own private beach. I mean, there's a whole map downstairs. I need to properly explore the whole thing. What a turn of events. Chilling here, we've got everything we need. We've got the water, we've got the coffee, we've got the fridge, we've got the robes. We are living. It's the first time I've actually had a safe in a room as well out here. So yeah, we're now chilling with this room. I guess I'm gonna go have some breakfast and then explore this hotel. Well, literally, as I mentioned about breakfast, I just had it delivered. Oh, free breakfast. Nice view, not bad. This is a Filipino dish. Rice for breakfast is definitely not something I'm that bothered about, but you know what? It's still protein and carbs. So I'm not complaining. And I know this will taste better because it's free. Sausage, egg and rice. You know what? I might have to start having rice a bit more for breakfast. Let's go exploring. Well, one thing's for sure, the bathrooms are very bougie. Right, I don't know how I've only just clocked this, but I saw on the TV that everything in terms of facilities on the 3rd floor as well as. So before we go to that part, before we get food, I'm going to see what the gym is saying. When you wake up, I'll be long gone, made the great escape. Got a nice pump from that. Time to use the pool. The room that we've got is on the 16th floor, but this is the 3rd floor, so you can see how big this hotel is. And then we've got a bit of a view here, and I've got the pool completely to myself. There's a bar behind me here. If the drinks are included here, that would be OP. I've found out that the spa you have to pay a little bit. I literally said, oh, can you show me the spa? Can I just have a look? She sent me to someone's room. Now I don't know if that room was someone that does massages, but I was a bit weirded out by that. They not only also provide gym towels, but they provide pool towels, which most hotels will actually charge extra for. So this place so far has got my vote. Okay, so one major perk of this hotel room is that the shower is actually hot. Now that is the first hot shower I've had in roughly 3 or 4 days, because most places in the Philippines, I mean, as it is extremely hot, just will only provide cold showers. Not that that's a bad thing, but I think now and again, like, your body does need the heat. I definitely don't think I'm going to be having hot showers after this though. Okay, so I've just had a look in Google Maps, and there's a place external to this which is part of the hotel that has all these venues. So I've taken a picture of the map downstairs at reception. This is included in the hotel. So this venue map, we've got here swimming pool, cabanas, beach bar, but I've just been given this wristband at reception. So I now have access to this whole place completely for free. So yeah, I guess after lunch we'll be checking that out. Having a lunchbox in a restaurant. Anyway, we're now gonna go check out the beach. I've just got the vest on and the swim shorts. Let's go check it out. What a day. There's literally no one around me again. I feel like I've just got this whole hotel to myself. There's a couple of people in the hotel, must admit, but it's not like there's many. There's people that were cancelled on the flight. Well, they obviously keep this hotel for that reason, because I looked at a couple of reviews and we're not the first people to be put up in this hotel. Right, I've now realised where everyone is. They're all at the pool in these cabanas. There's just so much here. Oh, yeah, no, it looks like an altar. Garden ceremony, that makes sense. So I'm staying at a hotel where they do weddings. Not bad. As if I'm now just on a private beach, part of this hotel. There's water sports all over there, more sort of seating areas around there, but there's another swimming pool over there. I gotta believe this is just all included. Like, they don't even charge extra for this. This is sick. It's gotta be the best missed flight ever. You know what I said earlier about having an indoor gym in the hotel? Look what I just found outside. They call it the beach gym. This hotel has a beach gym. This is actually sick. Pull-up bars, rings, can do dips on this. There's all bodyweight stuff, but still, this is another level to a hotel. What? Even though we've already been gym today, should do some quick dips. Oh, and I don't know if I've already mentioned this, but the Wi-Fi continues and extends onto the beach here. So that means I can actually play some decent songs that I haven't downloaded. Literally stuffed my gym membership back home. I'm just gonna come to this hotel. You've literally got absolutely everything included in this hotel. Hello. Thank you. Well, that was sick. Now back at the room, I just asked about dinner, and they were like, no, you don't have to eat down here. You can have whenever you want, and we'll deliver it to your room. All right then. Don't mind me. As I'm sitting there, I'm just looking at the TV. I might just order something. Beer was £1.95. £2.64 for a beer to my room. I could definitely get used to the Philippines. Nice. Room service has arrived yet again. I've literally just got out of the shower. I'm glad that I knew I'd just time it like that. Meal 3 for the day of this hotel. And it's... oh, there's not much chicken, I must admit. Oh well, we've got some... it's like pineapple instead. Rice. Cheese dip and yeah, well, not the best. Just, I don't even know what to expect. I've done the lunchbox and the black box. So we've got the transfer in just over an hour. I need to get dressed and eat this, and then we'll get going.